While the expensive petrol and diesel have broken the back of the common man, at the same time, plastic waste increasing everywhere is also spoiling the environment and the health of common people. The world we are living in today is facing a big crisis, the shortage of fossil fuels. Fuel gives speed, energy, and power to living. The name of the invention in this fuel world is biofuel. Biofuel is a cheap, simple, and eco-friendly diesel. It is manufactured from waste cooking oil, agricultural waste, vegetable oil, animal fats, and other organic wastes. In the future, the reserves of fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel, and kerosene are nearing their end, and the biofuel is emerging as a great alternative. Biofuel is a fuel that can be produced self-sufficiently, which has the power to change the income of a common man and the economic condition of the whole country. In this direction, Mahija Biofuel Industries Private Limited is fast emerging as the hope of the people. Our team of experts is dedicated to creating eco-friendly fuel alternatives, committed to providing sustainable energy solutions for a better tomorrow. We are driven by the desire to create a better world for future generations. Our biodiesel is not only renewable but also reduces greenhouse gas emissions by up to 80% compared to conventional fossil fuels. Our mission is to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and promote sustainable and renewable resources. We believe that biodiesel is the future of fuel, a clean, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to conventional fossil fuels. We are driven by a desire to create a better world for future generations. So if you are looking for a clean, efficient, and sustainable energy sources, join Mahija Biofuel Industries in the fight against climate change and join us in our mission to create a better world.